In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write bold and italic text in Telegram. Let's keep this simple and practical so you can start using it right away. First, open the Telegram app. Once it's open, go into any chat or group where you want to send a message. Everything we're about to cover works the same way whether you are replying to someone or starting a new message. To make text bold using symbols, place 2 asterisks right before your words. Type your message and then add 2 asterisks at the end. The asterisk is the little star symbol on your keyboard. For example, you would type 2 stars. Then your phrase, then 2 stars again. When you send the message, Telegram will show everything between those pairs of asterisks in bold. A quick tip: make sure there are no spaces between the asterisks and your text. If T here is a space after the first 2 or before the last 2, the formatting won't be applied. For italics using symbols, start with 2 underscores. Type your text and then close it with 2 underscores again. The underscore is the low-line character that sits under the baseline of the text. Just like with bold, keep those underscores snug against the first and last characters of your text, no extra spaces. After you send it, the content between the underscores will appear in italics. This is great for subtle emphasis, titles, or clarifying terms without making them as strong as bold. If you are using Telegram on a desktop, you can also format text with quick keyboard shortcuts. Type your message as usual, then select the part you want to style. You can do this by clicking and dragging with your mouse or by holding Shift and using the arrow keys to highlight the text. With the text selected, press Ctrl and B together to make it bold. Press Ctrl and I together to make it italic. You'll see the formatting apply immediately in the message field. If you change your mind, select the same text again and press the shortcut a second time to toggle it off. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.